Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. We recently had a Kikay keyboard followed by a Kikay mouse. Now let's complete the set with a Kikay ergonomic chair. It is of course pink. I'm currently showing you the parts of the chair, since in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble it. I got this for 3,000 Philippine peso from Shopee. Check out the video description for the link. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is attach the 5 wheels to the metal base. Just shove the wheels into the hole at the end of each of the 5 arms of the base. Now let's attach the gas lift cylinder to the base. Make sure that you apply enough pressure pushing down the cylinder into the hole in the middle of the base until it locks in. Make sure that you have the complete screws as indicated on the user manual. In this case, we should have 14 screws and 2 rubber pads. It's time to prepare your tools now. The screws given here can be used against a Phillips or a flat screwdriver. Let's now follow the step 2 from the manual, which is attaching the armrest. We'll need 3 screws from each side. Here is the armrest. This curved continuous end is the front side, while the side where the armrest ends is the back side. For the seat pad, look for the 4 holes forming a square, and that will be the back side, which means the seat pad's front is on the opposite side. Let's now screw in the armrest. Make sure that you have the front and back side correct. I like to use my hands first to make sure that the screw is on the proper position. Once it's deep enough, I then switch to using the screwdriver. Don't fully tighten the screws until all 3 are in place so that you'll still have a chance to adjust the armrest if needed. If you're good with the armrest position, you cannot fully tighten all the screws. Let's do the other side. Repeat the same process. Moving to step 3, attaching the chair mechanism. Based on the manual, this round valve here should be facing front. Here is the chair mechanism. Let's position it so that the round valve is facing front. Let's match the hole from the mechanism to the screw holes from the seat pad. We have 3 types of screws here, as the shortest, B is the middle, and C is the longest, which we already used for the armrest. The manual says we should use A, the shortest screw for this. Now let's screw the chair mechanism in place. Again, use your hands first. Then tighten with a screwdriver, but not fully yet. Make sure the position is good before fully tightening the screws. I have placed the seat pad to a higher position since the backrest of this chair is tall. We will need the seat pad to be higher than the backrest height so you can position it properly for attachment. Since half of the backrest attachment will rest over the chair mechanism, we will need to level the part outside of the mechanism by using the given round rubber pads. Position them in the screw hole on the seat pad, then place the backrest attachment over them. Then we can screw the backrest into place. Now for the final step. We will attach the base to the hole in the middle of the chair mechanism. Once placed inside, it should lock in place. And we're done. My kid has been using this chair for 10 days now, and no complaints so far. It has a gas lift to adjust the height of the seat as well as a lock switch for the recline. The foam on the seat pad is soft enough for a comfortable long hours of online school or work from home position. Since the backrest is a mesh, it perfectly fits the tropical weather here in the Philippines while you can comfortably rest your head on the soft leather headrest. Plus, the color is so cute for my baby girl. Alright, I hope this helps. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you love it, please consider subscribing to the channel. Nila Suj for watching. No Bear.